Narrative layouts feel more professional when frames are used to control both flow and focus. Today, how to explore content storytelling. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert multiple frames in a sequence pattern, either diagonal or horizontal. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them to maintain continuity. Select the background and apply a soft neutral tone. Add small arrows or line elements between frames to indicate progression, reducing their opacity for subtlety. Use position tools to keep spacing consistent. Add minimal captions near each frame. This approach builds a clear and